Hey, how's it going? My name's Oliver. I had my car dented, unfortunately, when I was parked at a shopping center. Somebody hit my car pretty badly right here. Took my car into Sioux Dent Repair, and Jack did a great job, as you can see. There's pretty much nothing left over here, so I'm really impressed with his professionalism and his work quality. So definitely recommend it in the future. If you ever have any dent repair you need, call him up.
If you have dents or dings in your own vehicle, feel free to give us a call at 605 595 4061. Thanks for watching.